Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Day 2. So right now I am walking across the river. So day 1 I showed you the beautiful river in beautiful bridge actually. I showed there. So this is one of the beautiful markets. After the morning period I have come this area. So still there is no shops is available, but overall it is very good. That it was one of the oldest markets. So one upon a time, my grandmother used to tell me. So there was a big big market was established this area. So still the light is turned on because the dusk or the darkness of the sky hasn't cleaned yet actually. So for this reason, so we are seeing this is a both of the beautiful place. This is a bakery, so you can get a lot of fish through this place. Maybe it's a long time later I have come, or I am coming through this route around 40 days. So this is a good place, and there is camera strong protection about this market, because once before it was chance to remake, or it was chance for steal something. So for this reason the committee of this market took this action. So it is overall a beautiful place. So there is a two street of this market. So I have come to one of this, and it is very beautiful. This is another place you can go through this route. So when I will come back, I will try to show you this place. So this is a bank. There is a two bank. One is Mudumoti and another like Islamic bank. So you can use this place and you can easily accept it. This is a mosque. This is only one market and only one mosque in Shekhar market. So there is another small bridge that connects the two part, and under there is one upon a time there was a canal. So actually where am I? So this time it's a shopping mall. Okay, it's a large shopping mall, but one part of shopping malls is available this area. So but during the puja, during the festival of Eid of Muslims, so this market demand or clothes demand usually becomes very high. So overall it looks, so this is one of the oldest bank in our local market. So that is Sonali Bank. This is one of the oldest bank established around 1 decade ago or more than time. And I didn't show anything about this bridge because I didn't have time enough. I didn't get any confidence actually, but after a long time trying, I'm just showing you. But I should have gone into the market, but I showed you. Okay, this is another beautiful place around it. If you say the beautiful market looks beautiful, so we are at the last point of the market. There is a two part of this market. This is one part, and there is also another part crossing these institutions. I also told you about this institution previous video. You can see easily, obviously you can see easily, this institution is one of the oldest institutions, over 1 century it is established, and the owner or land owner is Rai Bahadur. So his name named after on it, Rai Bahadur Senior Institutions. So this is overall about this market. This was my second day challenge. I was trying to show next day to more actively. But if actually say this is one of the student restaurant, you can easily get their food for student as a fast food or also other food you can get easily. So this is my another video I have told you. So next day I will go another place and develop my speaking, how actually I develop. You can watch and you can deserve your successful achievement after watching the 30 days challenge. So till that time, keep practicing, keep learning. Goodbye for now.